What's up guys, here Mr. G with another video for the grade 12. This time is another question on equilibrium. It's question 7 from June 2016 done at the Northern Cape and the Free State province. This question say ethanol can be manufactured by the reaction of ethene and steam in the presence of phosphoric acid as catalyst. The balance equation for the reaction is, and you have the balance equation there. How will an increase in pressure affect the presence of ethanol present at equilibrium? Choose increase, decrease, or remain the same. So here is the substance, and then we go, and ethanol is right here. This one is ethanol, and they want to know what happened to the amount of ethanol when you increase pressure. Now, when you do pressure, or when you speaking about pressure, you need to make sure you know the number of molecules here. On the left hand side, we have one molecule, another molecule, and here you have one molecule. So in total you have two molecules on the left hand side, and you have one molecule on the right hand side. Alright, now if you increase in pressure, it will affect the site of the reaction that have less number of molecules. In other words, when you increase in pressure, the forward reaction will be favored. This will happen if you increase in pressure. An increase in pressure will favor the site of the reaction that have less number of molecules. In other words, the ethanol will be increased, and you will produce more. So it will increase. That is the answer there. Now, how do we explain this one? We have to use Le Chatelier there. Okay, so the first thing we have to say here is that an increase in pressure will favor the reaction that result in a decrease on number of molecules, and therefore in this case the forward reaction is favored. The forward reaction is favored, guys. This is the end of 7.1.1. Question 7.2. The table below show how the percentage of ethanol present at equilibrium changes with temperature at constant pressure. So you can see if they keep pressure constant, the amount of ethanol decreases, okay, as temperature is going to be increasing there. When you increase temperature, the ethanol decreases. It means that when you increase in temperature, the reverse reaction was favored, and therefore the forward reaction is going to be exothermic. If the reverse reaction is favored when you increase the temperature, it means the reverse is endothermic and the forward is exothermic. Nothing to say there. The change in temperature is quite simple. Is the forward, the formation of ethanol, exothermic or endothermic, and is exothermic reaction. You can see that an increase in temperature affects or favors the reverse reaction. So the reaction is exothermic. Fully explain your answer. So the first thing you have to say is that the percentage of ethanol produced decrease with an increase in temperature. This means that the increase in temperature is favoring the reverse reaction. So it means that the increase in temperature favored the reverse reaction. Therefore, the increase in temperature favored the endothermic reaction, which in this case is the reverse. Question 7.2.2. How will an increase in temperature influence each of the following? Choose from increase, decrease, or remain the same. The number of collisions increases. When you increase the temperature, the number of collision increases. The activation energy remains the same. Activation energy doesn't have an effect through the change in temperature. The amount of C2H4, if we go to the reaction, you can see there it is one of the reactant, which is the reverse reaction. So if you increase the temperature, it will be also increase. And the rate of the reaction, both reaction in actual fact increase because you increase the temperature. So this one is increases. Guys, this is the end of the question. I hope it helps. It's a very good question to practice the effect of different factors on equilibrium. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the channel, thumb up if you think it helped. I'll see you next time. Mr. G here.